Alright, so we have the Quadrajet here. This is a project I've been working on. I have recalibrated this. It originally came on a 231 cubic inch V6, and I've recalibrated it to go on a let's see, a 300 Ford, well, it's bored out 307 Ford inline 6 with the horsepower of a 390. And what I found was that, you put the accelerator pump arm on and off so many times that there's supposed to be another tab right here. You can see that fresh brake line there, which it was another one of these sitting there. And that little roll pin, which you push in and out about 100 times as you're working on your Quadrajet, it finally broke off that tab. Well, I searched to find another air horn, and to no avail. And I finally found this little device on YouTube. It's put out by a company called Quadrajetpower.com. This goes through. You're supposed to take the arm where the roll pin goes through and drill it to the size, that second step there, so that second step will go through that hole, and that's fine. That'll be easy, and that will allow or hold my arm back into place there, and hopefully it will allow it to pivot as it's supposed to. Anyway, it cost me $10, and I just wanted to pass this along to everybody in case you run into the same difficulty that I did. For $10, it would be an easy fix if it works. Take a look at it. It's on quadrajetpower.com. Thanks for listening.